Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered how applications like Google Maps are able to find the fastest route between two locations? Or how social media platforms can suggest new friends based on your connections? Well, behind all of these technologies, there is a concept called graph theory. Graph theory is used to model relationships and connections in a simple but powerful way. In this video, I will explain what graph theory is, its basic components, and how it is applied in real life in a simple and easy-to-understand way. A graph is a data structure that consists of two main components: vertices and edges. Vertices, also known as nodes, represent objects or entities. For example, a vertex can represent a person, a place, or even a device in a network. Edges are the connections between these vertices. They show how one object is related to another. Because of this, graph theory is often used to visualize and analyze relationships in many fields, especially in computer science. To understand this better, let's look at a simple example. Imagine we have four people: Refael, Ayub, Mananda, and Clarissa. Each person is represented as a node in the graph. If Refael is friends with Ayub, we draw a line connecting Refael to Ayub. If Ayub is also friends with Mananda, then we connect Ayub to Mananda. And if Mananda is connected to Clarissa, we draw another line between them. By doing this, we can clearly see how each person is connected in the network. This is a very simple form of a graph, but it already shows how useful graph theory can be. There are different types of graphs. The first one is an undirected graph, where the connections have no direction, meaning the relationship goes both ways. The second one is a directed graph, where the edges have arrows that show direction. This means the relationship only goes one way, such as in follower systems on social media. Now let's see how graph theory is applied in real life. One of the most common examples is navigation systems like Google Maps. Imagine there are four locations: home, school, store, and park. Each location is represented as a node. The roads that connect them are the edges. For example, home is connected to school is connected to store, and store is connected to park. Using graph theory, the system can calculate the shortest or fastest path from home to park. This is why navigation apps can guide us efficiently. So why is graph theory important? Graph theory helps us solve real-world problems by representing them as connections between objects. Instead of looking at things separately, we can see how everything is related. This makes it easier to analyze complex systems and find efficient solutions. For example, in navigation systems, graph theory helps find the shortest path. In social media, it helps identify connections between users. It is also used in computer networks to manage communication between devices. Because of its flexibility, graph theory can be applied in many different fields, including technology, transportation, and even biology. That is why graph theory is considered a very important concept in modern science and computing. In conclusion, graph theory is a simple yet powerful concept that helps us understand connections between different objects. It is widely used in many applications, from navigation systems to social networks. By learning graph theory, we can better understand how modern technology works. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.